Hello friends, welcome to my channel Maruju Sai Bhavani World. So today in this video I'm going to show you instant bread pizza. So this pizza is going to be same like the pizza that we order outside, and this we are making at home. This is going to be really very tasty. So let's get started. Now let's check out the ingredients what we have to do for pizza. This is bread pizza, right? So we need obviously cheese. So this is the processed grated cheese. I'll show you which cheese. This is the cheese. So this is Britannia and this is Amul. Now the whole 3 cubes this is. I used this Britannia cheese. Next you can take your favorite veggies. So see, I chopped onion in this way, like this. Some onion, capsicum, and these are the red capsicum with tomatoes and some cabbage. And this is the instant pizza sauce. You can check out my last video for this. Next, this is the room temperature butter. So now let's start. Now I took 6 breads of bread slices. We don't need this all, but I'll show you how to do. Now take a plate. It should be round. Next, keep the bread slices in this way, or just press. If you want, you can even use water, like this. So now we have to roll this in this way, just 2 times. After rolling, take the slice, arrange it in this way. Take any plate. So 6 breads I got. Now to keep this aside, we have to take water. So I took another plate like this. I have used another plate to you have to press like this. You'll get a flat surface like this. You can even refrigerate it for 5 to 10 minutes. After doing that, just press like this. Press the sides like this so that you'll get evenly round base. Outside they are getting even pizza bases, but it will be so much expensive now. So you can make like this at home. See? Okay, now let's apply pizza sauce. This is the pizza sauce. So spread it evenly. Like this. After you spread in this way, now let's keep cheese. So how much ever cheese you want, you can. That's your wish. Add cheese. So spread it evenly after you apply. It looks same like McDonald's pizza, and I like that. Okay, now let's keep the veggies. So first onion, next capsicum, the green capsicum, cabbage, and some slices of tomato or red capsicum. So I mixed both. More onions. Now again I am grating. So for showing you guys, again I took another cube. Just grate it on top in this. So you can add how much cheese you want. I like the cheese so much. Now let's do homemade baking section. Take a pan on the gas stove. Then keep another pan on it and let it heat in the low flame for 5 minutes. Now let's keep lid on. Only for 3 minutes. Now after 2 minutes, keep a bowl in this way and place up your pizza. Okay, so I placed my pizza on the gas stove. Now let's keep this lid and let's keep the stove at medium flame. slim to medium flame you have to adjust, and you have to cook the pizza. So this is bread pizza, and it's going to taste amazing, so I'm waiting for it. So now we are takeouting it. The cheese melted inside, and we off the gas. Okay, let's see. See, the pizza is same like the base, and we'll mix the dough and it's same like that. Please try this. Pizza is ready. I took it from the bake. Even Kutti is ready for eating. Okay, so let's taste it. I ate already. It tastes amazing. I'll show you. It's really amazing. Okay, so please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. And if you like this video, give it a like. And even Kutti is waiting. So bye bye.